Well, I think their original joke was that I was never going to make it to California. Now I think the new joke is I'm never going to make it out of Texas. The traffic is insane going north. So I stopped at downtown Denton Mini Mall. Let's check it out. All right, round two. I decided to stop for a snack. That seemed wise. Oh my gosh, how cute is this doll? $10, Horseman. That's a good price, but what does the red dot mean? I don't know what the red dot means. All right, so apparently the red dot doesn't actually mean anything. $10 is a super fair price, but I decided to let it go and move on. What is this? Is this a little Avon of the perfume locket? These earrings are fantastic. Those are at $9. I haven't had the most luck with earrings, as I've said in the past. So neat. So I'm gonna let those go too. This is a cool one. I got one similar in, where was I? California. I was in California. This is a cute little mug. Thought it was mushrooms from afar. I'm a little fried from driving in that sun. Some bangles. I like these orange ones. How much are they? $1.25. I'll take both. And what else can we find? What was that? That frog just jumped out at me. What's in there? Ooh, I like that case. This is a cute little Snoopy bank. Well, I guess it's not a bank, it's just a figurine. It's got a little wear on it. It's a nice vase too. That thing's neat looking. It's new. Ashtrays. Ooh, trucker hats. I'm due for a new one. I left a couple in Las Vegas that I kind of regret leaving, honestly. I mean, they were a little rough. I'm not trying to get a super, super duper used one. Oh, there was another one in Oklahoma City that I left that I regret too. I almost got it. Ooh, I like the looks of this. Looking for discounts, clearance section in the basement. Well, first of all, how freaking awesome are these guys? This red bow tie set is $12. Is it for the set? No, they just took the chain apart and are selling them separately. That's kind of a turn off. I think I'm gonna skip that. That's a little weird. Oh, I think these are Rosenthal. No, they're Toyo. Oh, those are cool. 16 each. The head base. Ooh, that thing's busted. Whoa. All right, let's see what we got in here. This is cool. This vintage binder, but it's at $30. I guess it's expensive here. Yeah, I'm seeing some definitely on the higher dollar side situations so far. And cute little pig, Dumbo. That's a fun one, the bee. $15, totally reasonable. Oh my gosh, look at this cat print. That's fabulous. I know probably everyone's looking at the ship, but I'm obsessed with the cat. Fire King mugs mixed in there. A gift for baby with the cute little rabbit on it. The box is kind of rough though. I'm still kind of digging through the hats here. These look like they're in pretty good condition too. Not seeing anything that's really jumping out to me. What's this one? Coke is it. Ooh, ew. Looks like somebody had a head wound on that. This is a cool little nook. Frankenstein. Handmade ceramics. That's interesting. The Edward Scissorhands. Oh my gosh, look at this mug. $35. Oh, I don't know about all that. That's a little too much going on there for me. The cat towel is cool. Although someone is making these. Oh, that's resin. That's really pretty. Cool lamp, too. Lots of knickknacks. Buttons. I've been picking up some buttons. They're kind of hit or miss, honestly. They're either like wildly successful or don't sell in my experience. Unicorn looks kind of new though. I like this magnet situation. It's really distracting. Oh my gosh. $5. It's a little rough, but for $5, I don't care about that little spot. He's fantastic. These are super hard to find. Oh, you know what? I think it's just a little dirt. I think that will clean up fine. Yeah, that's epic. Totally. What else do we have in here? I like the vase. 8. Whoa, look at this planter. Tilso, $8. Unfortunately, it's super cracked. I'm not a big fan of the baby with the stork. I feel like they don't do as well. This is a pretty large one, 24, yeah. And I have one of these, and that one's as is. Tulips. Oh, this is a fun booth. I love this little nightgown set. That's cute. What's this pink jacket? It's really distracting. And this Puma jacket's cool. Gosh knows I don't need any more clothes. I'm still kind of upset that jumper didn't fit me though at the last place. That's neat. And I was about to go for that, and I realized it's got a big nick out of it. Oh, that sucks about that Tilso. That thing's neat. All right, let's keep on going. Weird little clown doll. Some frames. It's kind of a tight squeeze in here. Looks like a lot of the jewelry is newer. There's a lot of stuff mixed in each booth so far, so I'm trying to pay attention. Oh my gosh, the little poodle. I think it's a bottle cover or a toilet paper cover. What about the ballet box? How cute is that? $10. It's kind of beat up, honestly. Like, it's salvageable, but that's not that bad. Nah, that's gonna fall apart by the time it gets back to my place. Cupid, $10, not bad. Look at that funny frog thing. This booth has some really interesting stuff. Of course, this is the first thing I noticed is baby bank. The snapshots. 18. Oh, that's cool. It's got all the old photos in it. Oh, they got a ton of them. They're all a little close for me, though. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Super eclectic situation happening here. Definitely overstimulating. My favorite word of this road trip, overstimulated. What is this? Cute. It smells kind of weird in there. And that's cute, too. That's got some paint moss. Oh, how funny is this? That's an older one, too. Oh, it's got a little wear. Oh my gosh, wait, how did I miss this almost? Because it doesn't have a tag, of course. That's probably why it's still here. No tag. Here's the ice cream sundae. That one's $5. Oh, that's fabulous. Totally gonna grab that. That's kind of a bummer. I didn't see the tag anywhere. This is kind of fun. That one's a 10. Wait a minute. Sailor Bank. Oh my gosh. $6. Sailor Bank. Sold. Now, back at it. The money bag's kind of neat. Maybe I'll take that one up to the front and ask if they'll do 6 on it. I'm sure they won't answer for the vendor, but just in case. Well, that was really nice. He said that he would let them know up front that it was okay for me to have that for 6. Oh my gosh, I want to get in here so bad. All right, so the vendor was just restocking. This is fabulous. Oh my gosh, stop, look at this. $7. That's really sweet. I think I'd do well on that. I'll probably grab that, and then I love whatever this banana situation is happening up here. And what is this? This is cool. Oh, neat. $6. That's really cool. I'm gonna grab both these. Oh my gosh, paradise. $3. $3. I don't know about that one. This one is a yes for sure. $3. And then look at these. These are really cool. They're kind of big, but these two I'm gonna grab. Oh, and then there's more right here. Those are new. Yeah, I don't know about that one. What is this thing? Not what I thought at all. Funny clown. Lots of trolls. No shortage of trolls here. I'm not the biggest troll person. I mean, they're fun, but I just don't know enough about them. The only ones I kind of mess with sometimes are the damn trolls. And the little cherry box, I almost just moved right past that. That's cute. $9. 70s. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. 24. You know what? That's a really good price. I don't really want to pay $24 for it, but I think I could still make some money off of it. It's just a little extreme, especially because this is not, if it was the last day of my trip, I'd probably spring and do it. This is neat. Hand-painted skillet. And then this funny cat figurine. 18 Goble. Well, this is an interesting set. 24. That's kind of cool. People are always surprised why I want a basket versus a cart. And this is one of those reasons. So I'm gonna try and be quick. I left my cart. Yeah, I left my cart up there, so now I have nothing to carry anything with. More trolls. Good grief. No shortage of trolls. And what's this one? That's new. Clothing. Oh my gosh, this bathing suit. So it looks like it's actually majority of clothing down here. So I might call it. And I saw that there was another place down the street. I think I actually might have enough time even to get there. Oh my gosh. Wait, this BCBG dress is fabulous. What size is this? XXX small. Oh, so much for that. It's probably why it's so cheap. So I really like this, but I'm actually second guessing it. I think that the heat might get to it a little, so I'm gonna put this back, but I'm taking everything else. What a deal. I spent $41 in there. Now I am gonna get in the car. There's another one about 15 minutes away. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it. I definitely won't have much time to shop, but it's gonna be the only thing else I do probably for the rest of the day other than whatnot and drive to wherever it is I'm driving to. So I will see you guys when I get there.